Hello everyone. Here we'll study to estimate sum or differences of the given number. To understand the process, we have two questions with us here. One is of addition and one is of subtraction. So let us see the solution of the first point, what we have to do for that. First of all, we will write down both the numbers and we need to compare them. As we can see that the two numbers what we have in the first point are 12,904 and second is 2,888. So obviously 12,904 is greater than 2,888. So the smaller number is up to the thousands place. So we will round off both the numbers to the nearest thousand first of all. So first of all we will round off our first number, that is 12,904 up to nearest thousand. So when we round it off to the nearest thousand, we get 13,000. How is it so? Because that the thousands place here is 2 we have, next to it is 9 which is greater than 5. So we need to do plus 1 in this 2. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. So there in place of 12 we will have 1 3, that is 13, and after this place all the digit will become 0. So 13000, so 13,000. And when we round off 2,888 to the nearest thousand, so as we can see that at thousands place we have 2, next to it is 8, again greater than 5. So we need to do plus 1 into this. So 2 plus 1 will become 3, and after this all the digits will become 0. So 3000, that is 3,000. So when we will round off 2,888 to the nearest thousand, we will get 3,000 here. According to the question, what we have to do after estimation, we have to add them. So when we add 13,000 and 3,000, so their sum we get as 16,000. So our answer is 16,000 here. This is the method to estimate the sum of the given number. Now here we are going to solve the second point, which is about subtraction. Here we have 8,325 minus 941. We have to estimate the difference of these number. So how to estimate them? Let us see here. Again, first of all, we will compare these numbers here. As we have two numbers, 8,325 and 941. So 8,325 is greater than 941. So here we have smaller number, it is 941. So that we will estimate both the numbers to the nearest 100. So when we estimate our first number to the nearest 100, as this smaller number is up to ones, tens, 100 place. So what we will get? We will underline the number at hundreds place. Next number to it is 2, which is less than 5. So we don't need to do anything in this underlined number. So before that we have 8 and then no change in 3. So 83 will be written as it is. And after this we have 2 digits more. So in this place we will have 0. So when 8,325 rounded off to the nearest 100, we got 8,300. Now we need to round off our second number, that is 941. When we round it off to the nearest 100, its hundreds place is 9, next to it is 4, again smaller than 5 number, right? So we don't need to make any change in the digit at 100 place. It will remain 9 as it is. And after this we have 2 digits. So this both will become 0. So here we have rounded off both the numbers. Now according to the question, it is a sum of subtraction here, so we have to subtract these values. So from 8300 we have to subtract 900, right? So what we will get here, what will be their difference after subtracting these numbers? Here we will get 0 minus 0 is 0, again 0, 13 minus 9 we will have 4, and this 8 will become 7 because of the borrow, then 7 will remain here as it is. So the estimated difference of these numbers is 7400. Hope the methods are clear to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई के फंडे. And if you have any query related to the topic, you can ask in our comment box. We'll positively try to reply. Thank you.